Hey there, I wanted to show you just a couple more things about Google Analytics that can be really helpful in data visualization work. So we once again are looking at the Google Analytics for UNC Charlotte's Atkins Library. We're just in the main home section of Google Analytics, and I am going to scroll down just to look at what pages do your users visit. And let's go to Pages Report. And now we are looking at all kinds of things about the top most visited pages. But what I would like to do is I'd like to export this so that I can create a data visualization about it using Tableau or Excel pivot tables, etc. So I am just going to say export, and then here you have a bunch of choices. I'm going to just say Excel for the sake of practice right now. And then I'm going to open up this newly created Excel sheet, and this is just a page overview. It says we're looking at September 30th, 2018 to October 6th, 2018. You could expand that time frame up to like years. Now let's go ahead and look at the first tab, Data Set 1. And so now we have, we could create a visualization about number of page views per particular pages, or unique page views, average time spent on pages, entrances, bounce rate, etc. So what I wanted to show you here is that you can export data sets, and then you can play with them all you'd like. You can also share a particular Google Analytics page with yourself or with others. You can share it as a PDF or Excel file or a CSV file. So that could be useful if you're working for others or working with others. The other thing I'm going to go ahead and click Home. The other thing that's kind of cool is Google Analytics now has this Insights button up in the upper right corner. And so it kind of can show you some of the particular most commonly asked types of questions in the data. So try asking trends of new visitors. Let's just go ahead and click on that and see what happens. So you can see these are new users. So we're looking at new users by day. Growth of new users in the last month. This is a follow-up question. We had 5.43% new users, more new users than we did the previous month, I presume is what that's talking about. How much did new users grow last week? We went down 11%. I have no idea why, and we're just kind of looking at some odd examples. Let's see what other kind of common questions there are. Compare sessions this week versus last week. See what that looks like. This is today's sessions versus last week's sessions, I guess because we're starting a new week today. Show me a trend of sessions over the last 90 days. Very interesting. So here we are in July, starting on July 9th through October 6th. So our biggest day, it looks like, was October 1st. Other peaks were September 21st, September 19th, low point, I'm not sure what that low point means, but here we're not getting so much traffic. So Insights can kind of ask you some, or help you find out some kind of canned content analysis. Let's look at the geographic analysis. What country do my users come from? So we see US, this is last week, September 30th through October 6th. US, the United Kingdom, Canada, China, India, Japan, Australia, even South Korea and Saudi Arabia happened to buy our website. So, like I said, the insights can be useful. You know, they kind of help you figure out maybe what some of the common questions are that people want to ask. And then you can download data sets based on your website activity just by going to export or share, or you can even just save these views. So hopefully that is helpful to you.